If you're preparing for survival, outdoor missions, or just love high-performance tactical gear, having the right equipment can make all the difference. In this video, I'm breaking down the 20 best tactical military gear and gadgets that every serious adventurer, soldier, or prepper should have in their arsenal. Let's jump straight into the list. Number 1. Rebo Gear Military Tactical Backpack. If you need a reliable and rugged bag for your tactical missions or outdoor adventures, the Rebo Gear Military Tactical Backpack won't disappoint. It offers a 40-liter total capacity, large enough to store all your essentials, and is crafted from durable, water-resistant material. Its Malle webbing system lets you attach extra gear and pouches, while the double-stitched seams ensure longevity even in harsh environments. Weighing just 2.82 pounds, it's light enough for mobility yet tough enough for extreme use, a perfect all-around backpack for military, hiking, or bug-out setups. Number 2. Kemimoto Tactical Gloves. These Kemimoto tactical gloves are designed for flexibility, protection, and precision. Made with breathable microfiber material, they're lightweight, padded, and adjustable, ideal for motorcycling, hunting, camping, and shooting. They feature non-slip palms and touchscreen compatibility, allowing you to use your devices without removing the gloves. Their ventilated design keeps your hands cool during long missions, and the reinforced knuckle protection adds that extra layer of safety. Number 3. Hike Valley Balaclava Face Mask. For ultimate head and face protection, the Hike Valley Balaclava Face Mask is a must-have. It's made from a blend of 90.5% polyester and 9.5% spandex, making it lightweight, stretchable, and quick-drying. This mask shields you from wind, dust, UV rays, and insects, making it perfect for tactical missions or long days outdoors. At just 1.5 ounces, it's incredibly light, but built tough enough to handle sun, snow, or sandstorms. Number 4. HME Camo Face Paint. Stealth is everything in tactical operations, and the HME Camo Face Paint helps you blend into any terrain. It comes in 3 colors: black, brown, and dark green, for versatile camouflage options. The compact, portable design makes it easy to carry in your pocket or gear pouch, and the long-lasting formula stays put even during high-activity or humid conditions. Number 5. Ginwe Military Tactical Belt. The Ginwe Military Tactical Belt is built from 100% nylon, providing a sturdy, durable fit that won't wear out easily. It's 1.5 inches wide and 51 inches long, fitting waist sizes from 28 to 44 inches. Perfect for attaching tools, pouches, or holsters, it offers both flexibility and heavy-duty reliability. Whether you're on patrol, hiking, or just want a strong everyday carry belt, this one's a top pick. Number 6. Keepeak Military Tactical Pen. If you're looking for a discreet tool that packs serious power, the Keepeak Military Tactical Pen is one of the best EDC gadgets you can carry. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum with a tungsten steel tip, this pen is designed to do much more than just write. Despite its tough construction, it's lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it ideal for everyday use, outdoor adventures, or tactical missions. It's a perfect combination of practicality and protection, blending seamlessly into your pocket or backpack without drawing attention. Number 7. Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet. The Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet is a compact survival tool with multiple functions. It includes a fire starter, whistle, compass, and emergency knife, all neatly packed into a durable paracord band. made for hikers and outdoor survivalists. It's weather-resistant and adjustable, ensuring comfort during extended wear. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty, which shows the brand's confidence in durability. Number 8. Smith & Wesson Tactical Knife. A name that speaks for itself, the Smith & Wesson Tactical Knife is built for precision and toughness. It features a 4.7-inch spearpoint blade made of high-quality stainless steel, with a rubber handle for superior grip and control. The knife is ambidextrous and comes with a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring long-lasting reliability. It's sharp, balanced, and perfect for cutting, piercing, or field use. Number 9. Livens Military Map Case. For anyone who loves navigation or field missions, the Livens Military Map Case is a game-changer. Crafted from 600D nylon, it's sweat-proof, foldable, and double-sided visible, allowing you to view and mark maps quickly in the field. It's available in Coyote Brown Black and Ranger Green, giving you tactical color options to match your gear. Lightweight yet tough, this is an essential for military professionals and outdoor navigators alike. Number 10. Yakeda Tactical Battle Belt. The Yakeda Tactical Battle Belt is designed for those who need to carry multiple tools or pouches securely. Made from reinforced nylon, it's waterproof and fits waists from 75 centimeters to 114 centimeters. It distributes weight evenly to reduce fatigue and can easily integrate with other MALA-compatible gear. Perfect for law enforcement, shooters, and tactical enthusiasts, this belt keeps everything within easy reach and firmly in place. Next up, we have the Luffiz Plasma Lighter. A compact yet powerful gadget every tactical or outdoor enthusiast should carry. This lighter uses electric dual-arc plasma technology, producing a 360-degree windproof and waterproof flame that works flawlessly even in the harshest weather. Built from durable ABS and metal materials, it feels solid in hand, while the safety lock system ensures accidental ignition never becomes an issue. You can even refill it with butane if needed, giving it dual functionality. Number 12. Sharpall Knife Sharpener. A dull blade is more dangerous than a sharp one, and that's why the Sharpall Knife Sharpener is a must-have in any tactical setup. Compact and easy to carry, this tool features 3 sharpening stages: coarse, medium, and fine, using tungsten carbide, ceramic, and monocrystalline diamond materials for unmatched precision. It can sharpen your knives, hatchets, machetes, or even fish hooks, restoring the edge in seconds. The ergonomic handle and non-slip rubber base make it safe and easy to use, whether you're in camp or on the move. Number 13. Danforth Camouflaged Headlamp. The Danforth Camouflaged Headlamp is the definition of tactical illumination. With 1080 lumens of bright LED light, this rechargeable headlamp offers long-range visibility and adjustable brightness for any environment. The 90-degree rotating head allows you to direct light exactly where you need it, while the secondary red light mode preserves night vision. It's powered by a 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery and includes 2 lithium-ion batteries, plus a USB charging cable. If you're hiking in the dark or setting up camp, this light keeps your path clear and your hands free. Number 14. OFAR AF4074 Military Compass. When GPS fails, nothing beats the reliability of a military-grade compass. The AOFAR AF4074 military compass is crafted from high-quality zinc alloy and designed for rugged field use. It's waterproof, shake-proof, and built with a 360-degree rotating scale that makes navigation fast and accurate. This compass features a prism lens for precise readings, a map plotting scale, and a tripod mount for stability. You can measure slopes and bearings even in low visibility conditions, making it ideal for tactical missions, hiking, or survival scenarios. Number 15. Walker's Hunting Earmuffs. Now, we have the Walker's Hunting Earmuffs, designed to protect your hearing without compromising awareness. With a noise reduction rating of 23 decibels, these earmuffs effectively block out harmful gunfire or machinery sounds while still allowing you to hear ambient noise in conversations. They're powered by two AAA batteries and include a 3.5mm audio jack, so you can connect your phone or radio for communication or entertainment in the field. The soft, padded ear cups provide excellent comfort for long hours of use, and the adjustable headband ensures a secure fit. Number 16. GlowMind Emergency Glow Sticks. When visibility is critical, GlowMind Emergency Glow Sticks are an absolute must-have for any tactical or survival kit. These waterproof, non-toxic light sticks deliver 360-degree illumination that can last for up to 12 hours, perfect for emergencies, signaling, or low-light missions. They come in a 12-pack of bright green sticks, each individually wrapped for long-term storage. You don't need batteries or charging, just bend, snap, and shake, and you get instant light anytime, anywhere. Next up, the HTS Hunter Sky Anti-Fog Shooting Glasses, designed for clear vision and protection during critical moments. Built with polarized anti-fog lenses, these glasses keep your view sharp in any condition, from bright sunlight to humid or dusty environments. They feature non-slip nose pads and lightweight, flexible frames, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit even during long wear. The lenses are scratch-resistant, washable, and built to handle the rigors of tactical training or outdoor shooting. Number 18. Iwoto Military Smartwatch. The Iwoto Military Smartwatch takes tactical technology to another level. Built to military-grade standards, it's both IP68 waterproof and shock-resistant, designed to perform under extreme conditions. It features a 2.01-inch screen and includes a wide range of smart functions, from call answering, AI voice control, message notifications, heart rate, and SpO2 monitoring, to sleep, stress, and fitness tracking, with over 100 sport modes. It's also equipped with a built-in LED flashlight, compass, weather updates, alarm, calculator, music control, and even a remote camera shutter. Number 19. Iron Infidel Battle Water Bottle. Next is the Iron Infidel Battle Water Bottle, made for those who need hydration that can keep up with them. Built from stainless steel with double-wall vacuum insulation, it keeps your drink cold for up to 24 hours or hot for 12. The rugged design resists tears, dents, and scratches, while the military-inspired sleeve gives extra grip and style. If you're training, hiking, or working outdoors, this bottle stands up to the toughest environments, ensuring you stay fueled and ready. Simple, solid, and made to last. This is one tactical bottle that doesn't quit. Number 20. Prime Adventure Hiking Tactical Stick. Finally, the Prime Adventure Hiking Tactical Stick, a versatile, heavy-duty survival tool built from aircraft-grade aluminum. This 8-tube telescopic stick extends up to 54.7 inches and features a modular design that allows you to attach accessories like a glass breaker, knife, or fire starter. It's rust and impact resistant, with a strong aluminum handle and a comfortable anti-slip grip. Whether you're hiking, camping, or using it for self-defense, this stick is reliable and easy to pack down into smaller sections for portability. And that wraps up my list of the best tactical military gear and gadgets that every outdoor enthusiast should check out. If you found something that fits your loadout or survival kit, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more helpful gear reviews and product roundups just like this.